Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today's topic is a very simple recipe of Chinese vegetable. There are some days when cooking feels like too much of a hassle. Yet you are still desperately craving something delicious. But cooking should be easy, right? For this reason, we try to make the cooking easy for you guys. Let's start. Firstly, we have used some seasonal fresh vegetables, chicken strips, corn flour, soy sauce, and some chopped ginger, garlic, and onion. We also added some green chili. First, boil the vegetables. Make sure don't boil them too much, cause we want them to be crunchy. Take another pan and pour some oil and butter. Add chopped onion, ginger, garlic, and marinated chicken strips. After that, simmer them a few minutes. Then add the boiled vegetables, corn flour for thickening, some soy sauce and green chili. Finishing with the salt and pepper. If you like, you can also add some sugar. Then cook them a few minutes and serve them.